The forest is quiet now, not empty, just settled. On your way here, you may have set down many sounds outside yourself. Footsteps, voices, small vibrations that followed you longer than they needed to. Here, they do not have to follow anymore. Some sounds know how to wait. A wooden door closes slowly, not shut, just closed enough. Inside, the air is gently warm, not hot, not cool. A mix of fabric, old wood, and the quiet scent of fire that has been burning for a long time without asking for attention. In one corner of the clinic, there is a small rabbit. It is not alive in the way animals are. Its body is a plush toy, fabric that feels soft and fluffy, as if it has been held many times by many hands over many seasons. The tips of its ears are slightly worn, not damaged, just familiar. On its back, there is a small wind-up key. Even now, it turns quietly. Tick, tick, tick. Not fast, not slow, just unaware of rest. The rabbit tries to move forward, but its feet keep stepping in the same place. A motion that goes nowhere, yet continues. Perhaps it believes that if it stops, no one will hold it anymore. As if a toy that is no longer moving might be placed back on a shelf. Not because it is unwanted, but because it is quiet. Dr. Bear settles deeply into a leather chair. The chair sighs in a way only old chairs do. His weight is fully received. His voice, when it comes, is low and very slow. If you stop, do you think no one will hold you anymore? The question does not search for an answer. It does not lean forward. It is simply placed beside the rabbit, like a cup left within reach. Well then, that's not quite true. A cup of herbal tea is set on the table. No rush, no ceremony. Steam rises slowly, barely brushing the rabbit's soft fur. The fabric warms just a little, enough to notice, not enough to startle. When you are moving, and when you are still like this, you are the same. Dr. Bear's paw rests gently on the wind-up key. He does not force it. He does not stop it. He simply supports what is already there. Tick, tick. The key slows, not suddenly, as if it remembers something it forgot. Then it comes to rest. But the plush rabbit does not fall apart. Its seams hold. Its shape remains. Nothing is taken away. The rabbit's body sinks just a little into the cushion beneath it. The stuffing rises and falls softly. Not counted, not guided, just happening. Being cherished is not decided by how much you move. The fireplace continues. Wood settles. Embers breathe. The sound does not change. The rabbit curls up without instruction. Fabric touches fabric. A sound so small it almost isn't there. Its breathing is now so quiet it does not need attention. Outside the window, the light is unclear. Not night, not morning. A pause between decisions. The wind-up can rest here for today. This is not permission. It is not a rule. It is simply the sense that nothing is being taken away by stopping. On the sofa, the wind-up rabbit has closed its eyes. It did not try to fall asleep. It did not plan anything. It simply stayed as it was, and sleep arrived. Just because you fall asleep doesn't mean you are left behind. Some things remain held even when you are not watching. Nurse Luma approaches without a sound. She does not speak. She does not check. She does not correct. She simply places a thin blanket gently over the rabbit. The rabbit's shape loosens just slightly. Nothing wakes. Nothing changes course. The fire continues to burn. Not brighter, not dimmer. As it has been, as it will be.